ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Good morning. Gawa na tayong lunch. Si Zach at si Holly gusto nila smiley frites. So, eto kay Zach. Si Kuya gusto niya ham. And si Jan, ginagawan si Holly ng breakfast. Yung crumpets na binili natin kahapon na yan. With peanut butter. Ayun yung mag-ama. Nagbe-breakfast. Eto na yung lunch and snacks ng mga bata.
This one's mine, lunchbox. So thanks for packing it, Mommy.
You're welcome. So, meron siyang Yakult. Same as Zach. Si Kuya, kukuha na lang siya. Si Kuya, ayan. Kukuha na lang siya ng peach dun sa fruit box. Basket. Fruit box. Fruit basket. Kasi mayroon tayong fruits dun. Or banana. It's up to him. But yeah. Ayusin ko ng buhok nito. It's a fog.
How does it get foggy?
Yeah, very foggy.
Is there clouds on the ground?
Yeah. Autumn na kasi. Kaya yung weather namin ay pag ganyan na. Yeah, autumn. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Kinuha niya yung pabango ni Holly. Gusto niya laging mabango ang kanyang baby girl. Holly, now! Come on! What?
Bag's so heavy.
Oh, probably rotten food.
What's in there?
Yeah,
What's this? Is that all done?
that's the lunch, yes.
Do you need all the books in there?
You have to return that books?
Not much water in there.
Put more, Daddy.
Maybe you should watch.
Ito, you're not too close when you spray. Ako na. Not too close. When you spray, like this. Okay.
On the front.
Okay.
Make sure I smell good.
You have your pabango?
No.
No?
Shoes, Holly.
Okay. See ya. Listen and learn. Si Kuya nauna na pala. I love you.
Love you.
Listen and
Bye bye, guys.
listen and
Learn.
learn. 5 o'clock na. Ito pala yung dinner namin. Dinner for tonight is carbonara. Okay na to. Luto na siya.
Yum.
Good afternoon! Today's Thursday. 2:57 na and dito ako sa school ni Holly kasi meron siyang dance lesson. So pipick upin ko siya. Kailan ba yung last vlog? Basta kahapon, siguro may konting clips lang, nagluto ako ng carbonara. Yun yung dinner namin. And on Tuesday, wala silang pasok, diba? Pero si Holly, drop off ko siya sa dance lesson niya. Bago kami pumunta doon, nung nagmamadaling na nga ako noon, isipan kong maghanap doon sa grass. Kung alala nyo na nahulog ko yung lens nito. And guess what, guys? Nahanap ko siya. Ayan. Hindi ko pa siya nalinisan kasi nakalimutan ko nang linisin siya kasi nagmamadala ko nung Tuesday. So, dito ko siya nilagay. And nung Tuesday gabi or hapon, ang lakas din ng ulan. So, buti na lang nahanap ko to bago yung malakas na ulan. And nung Tuesday din yung first, ni Holly, first netball training. And magaling si Holly, guys, sabi nung training. Sabi niya, she's really good for the first timer. As in, kasi nakikinig siya kung anong gagawin. So, nakukuha niya naman. And kasabayan niya ay mas ahead sa kanya. So, si Holly, ang kalaro niya ay lower doon sa mga training niya nung Tuesday. Ayan, sana hindi siya magasgas, no? Punong-puno siya ng alikabok. Gahanap ako ng tissue. Buti na lang nahanap ko. Pero nakapag-order ako nito sa ano guys. Ay, may gas-gas. Yes, may gas-gas siya guys. Ay, siguro nadaanan to ni John. May gas-gas siya. So, nilinisan ko lang. Nag-order ako sa ano, siguro nandun na yun sa... May package kasi akong dumating. So, baka nandun na yun. Hindi ko pa siya na-unbox. I-unbox ko mamaya. May kunti pa siyang gas-gas or namamalikmata lang ako. Ayan. Importante na hanap natin siya. Sana dumikit pa rin yung magnet niya. Mayroon siyang parang watermark. Kasi ilang ano rin siya, ilang araw din siya, mahigit 1 linggo siya sa ano, sa ground. Kasi simula nung umalis tayo papuntang Renmark, nandun na siya. Dapat walang ano, buhangin kasi baka magasgas yung original lens natin, yung mismong lens. So, hintayin lang natin si Holly. And meron din pala akong isisend na package. Ito. May dalawa akong isisend. Kung maalala nyo, nag-live selling ako before. And then, ito yung mga huling nagbayad. And ngayon ko pa lang sila isi-ship. And then, yung isa sa Queensland. And sa Queensland, mayroong cyclone. So, nakalagay doon sa note nung print ko yung label na medyo madidelay kasi nga hindi pa ayos daw yung mga daanan ata. Basta delay daw sa Queensland. Kaya yung mga taga Queensland na magmamine, medyo delay po kayo. Delay po marireceive yung inyong mga package kasi dahil nga sa cyclone. Try nga natin. Ito ba? Ay, mali. Yung kabila. Inano ko lang na walang buhangin. Maaga na naman ako dito. May nauna sa akin na isa pero maaga pa para sa pick up. Okay. Ay, ano ba yan? Ayan, dumidikit pa siya. Malinaw pa ba? Oh, malinaw naman. Wala naman yatang gas-gas, no? So, at least, ayan. Nahanap ko. Tingnan natin yung nabili ko kung okay din yun. Sa Timo ko lang din yun in order guys. Try lang ba? Okay. Dito na siya.
Dito lang siya.
Okay, put your seatbelt please. We have to go. Bago pa maging busy to. Yeah, put your seatbelt. Is seatbelt on? Okay, put your seatbelt please. Kasi pag hindi kami umalis agad-agad, magiging busy to kasi highway to. But, syempre, dapat naka-buckle up siya. Are you done?
Yeah, I got blue top.
Why you got blue top?
It's colored.
Oh, okay.
It
Ayan
cannot
nga, busy na nga eh.
say blue top.
Alright, buckle up, Holly. Ay, ang dami ng sasakyan. Anong oras na ba? 3:18. Okay, clear. Did you run?
Yeah,
I got you sleepers there. How's your day?
good.
What did you do today?
We did spelling.
How is it?
Good.
Good.
And we had
Art.
yeah. And then we had
So how's your
lunch, and
day?
we did science. Good.
Good. Did you play with other kids? Are they good? Lagi ko siyang tinatanong kung kanino siya nakipaglaro kasi yung iba niyang classmate last year medyo mga maldita. So ngayon daw nag-adjust na okay na raw. Sabi ko siguro dahil transferee siya so wala masyado na nakipaglaro sa kanya. So you have a lot of friends now? Are they nice?
Yeah. What time's my aerial start?
4:15. So we have time. I have to go to the post office first to ship this one and then drop you off.
At 5?
Yeah. Not at high.
But there's a post office.
Yeah. Near there. Kasi malapit yung post office before kung saan siya nagda-dance. Ngayon, opposite na siya. So, may time pa naman kasi.
Caution, approaching school zone.
4:15, ano pa lang, 3:21. So, may time pa akong mag-ship ng aking package.
Guys, this is my bag.
Okay, go.
Do you want me to lock the door?
No, I'm alright. I have the key. Okay. Ship muna tayo. Ayan yung chinelas. Nabili yan ni tita. That's alright. Fits you. A bit big. Yung bigay yan sa, binili yan sa kanya ni Tita Ying. No, it's big. It's alright. Drop off lang naman namin to kasi nabayaran ko na siya. Na-print ko na yung label niya. Okay, we're good. We're done. Ito yung tracking number. Where's next?
Asian store. I want to get that.
Yan. Gusto yung kumain yan. And parang today may delivery sila ng bagong veggies. So tingin din tayo. You know what? We should get bag now. Bag. Naka-holy bread.
Yeah, I have the bag in the
I know, I don't have the bag. I go the other side. Okay. Hi. May mga bago pa. Oh, tumataas yung kanya. Milk cream sandwich. Ano? Meron silang pandesal pero hindi naman tayo magpa-pandesal. So, let's see the veggies. Oh, wala. Or meron. Kunti lang. Ito lang yung veggies nila. May mangga, papaya. Kuha ko ditong ginger kasi I need ginger. Ang laki naman ito. Putulin natin siya. Ito lang. Ganito kalaking ginger. Kuha ko ng Chinese cooking wine. Okay, let's go. Dito na yung mga napamili natin. For sure, yan. Is in here? Pinabihis ko na siya para pagdating namin doon sa kanya. No, I don't. Do you have it?
No.
Where is it? It should be there. Oh no, it's in Daddy's car. Do you have any? There?
Mommy, I want to eat my onion.
Well, you can't because you didn't wash your hands, so later.
No.
Come on. You don't have, here, Lucky.
Not good.
Nandun pala sa kanya dyan yung sanitizer. Okay. Kabis na siya para drop off ko lang siya doon.
Yeah, I can have my onion.
And yung ginger, di ba hinati ko siya, binalikan ko, yung dalawa na yung kinuha ko. Yung pinutol ko, kinuha ko rin. Kasi I need more ginger. Mag-ano ako, Naglulutuin kasi ako pagdating sa bahay. Is any carb, Baba?
No.
Sure?
Yeah, no.
No, okay.
Yummy.
Init ngayon.
Want one, Mom?
No, I'm good, thank you. Just nakaship na tayo. We are good. Good. Medyo malayo yung ating naparkan. Ha? Kasi busy.
Can you see my belly?
Na, pinasot ko na kasi sa kanya yung isa niya pang ano, yung tights, pang bali. Where's my key? Kasi right after ng aerial niya.
Water black currant.
After ng, no, I'm good. After ng aerial niya, bali agad. And lunch order pala sila today, kaya yan, meron siyang flavored water. Okay, let's go. And nag-post ako ng mga paninda ko sa Facebook. Ayan, mga picture. Ito yung Dazzle Me. So, available yan, guys. Yung pressed on foundation na ano, maganda rin siya. Lightweight and nagtatagal siya all day, o diba? Tapos na pala yung dancing niya. Dito tayo sa Woolies.
This is the color blue.
Okay. Watch out. Come on. Kuha tayo ng fruits. Kasi naubos na yung fruits.
Ubus and hopefully they have peach.
Peach, yes. And kiwi. And punta tayo dun sa Baker's Delight. Kaya dito tayo sa Woolies kasi malapit lang siya sa Baker's Delight. Pa din tayo ng bread.
You have to cut me some apples up
Alright.
in my lunchbox.
Little trolley, please. Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, that's alright. Kuha tayo ng ano, eto. Spring onions. Baba, get me a bag, please. Thank you. Kuha ako ng cabbage. Kuha tayo ng beetroot. Where's my bag, Baba? Yep. Or two.
Do it. Wait. Cinque. Seis. Ocho. Nove. Diez. Doce. Seis. Quince.
Pink lady. Maganda ba yung
Now
apple?
get some greens.
Ang kumukuha siya doon ng green.
Wait, I have to check if the apples are alright.
That's right. How many you got?
Wait.
12.
Cuatro.
Is it good? Hindi siya ganun kaganda, pero kailangan mo lang talagang maghanap. Oh, careful, Baba. Ito.
Cuatro. Cinque.
Okay. Yeah.
Uno. Due.
I think we need banana. More banana. Here. Wala silang kiwi. Wala akong makitang kiwi dito. Silang peach. No peach. Plum yan. Nectarine. They don't have peach, Baba. White peach. Ito pala. Yellow peach. Parang maputla naman tong peach. Hindi tayo.
Due.
4.
Cuatro.
5.
Cinque.
Okay. Yeah, wala silang kiwi. No, I don't see kiwi, Baba. No, they don't have. May grapes pa, orange. Orange, Baba, orange. Ah, here.
We didn't check it.
Check it.
Yeah.
Check.
That's good.
Okay.
Melon.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. And orange. Isa-isa lang.
Due. Due. Quick.
Okay. Bag, please. Yung deli nila, wala nang laman. Wala silang seafood. Barramundi. Dito baka meron. Barramundi. Nandito salmon ang meron. Salmon, barramundi. Ay, eto. Barramundi. Barramundi tayo. Fresh. Okay. Meron pa tayong snacks doon. Pero tingin tayo kung anong meron dito sa kanila.
We ran out of Pringles.
Pringles. So,
Got that?
where is it? Ah, ayan. Kuha na siya.
Is there any roll-ups?
You know what? Why don't we get this one?
No, because we'll
Oh. Ayaw niya rin ng green one. Oh, this one. Oh, no. The cheese. Yeah, hindi nila kinakain yung cheese. Ang dami namang ayaw nilang kainin dun. Alright, go get that one.
And this one?
I don't know if the boys like that.
The boys like it. I like this one. I know.
And jumpies. Diba, fruits lang yung pinunta natin dito. Okay. All ups. Get this one, the big one.
Wait, we have to get strawberry.
Bayad na tayo. Ayan na. Baker's Delight. Ay, may dala tayong trolley. Gusto daw ni Holly na finger band. Yung may coconut nandoon. Huh? Yeah, I got you one. Okay.
I wanted that one. I wanted the chicken.
After dinner.
Is it chicken and rice?
Chicken and veggies. Bahay na kami. And yung boys wala dito kasi may foodie training sila. So, doon na sila magdi-dinner. So, eto pala yung nabili ko sa Asian store. So, bumili tayo ng wasabi. Yung coated green peas. Gustong-gusto to ni Holly. And bumili ako nito yung, yun nga, napakita ko to sa inyo, yung cooking wine ng Chinese. And also, meron din tayong Superior Dark Soya Sauce. But may, mali yung brand yung nakuha ko. Etong gusto kong brand sana. Etong premium soy sauce. Ayan. And eto yung seasoning soy sauce. So, siguro, ang gusto ko nitong brand is the same dito. Siguro pagpunta ko doon, palitan ko to. Mas, ano to, mas mura nga to eh. Pero eto kasi yung magandang brand na nakita ko. So, papalitan ko to doon. Try natin kung pwede. Pwede naman siguro kasi may, walang visit. Kasi ito yung ginger na sabi ko sa inyo na hinati ko, pero kinuha ko rin yung kalahati niya. So, si Holly, yung dinner niya is chicken with carrots and sabi niya cucumber daw. Ayaw niya mag-rice. Kasi sabi ko, pag rice, magluluto pa akong rice. Ang i-offer ko sana sa kanya, chicken sandwich, sabi niya. I just want chicken and cucumber. Tapos ako, hindi ko alam kasi kung gusto ni Holly, kasi yung akin, ang lulutuin ko pa yung akin. Nilabas ko na ito sa freezer. Eto. Yung ano din siya guys, yung barramundi, i-steam ko lang siya. So yan. So pakainin ko muna si Holly kasi gutom na raw siya. So sabi ko, fruits lang yung bibili namin. So ayan, bumili tayo mga snacks. Kasi wala na silang snacks. Meron pa naman pero hindi na aabot sa Monday kasi may Saturday, Sunday. So, kakainin nila yan. Ito dito ko itong linalagay sa labas kasi ang laki. So, kasi naman. Kasya naman. Kakainin ko muna si Holly. Mag-steam muna pala ako ng ito. Broccoli. Kasi si Holly gusto rin niya mag-broccoli. Kasi ako mag-broccoli ako tonight. Steam ko lang muna ito. Ayan. Steam lang muna. Para sa kanyang chicken din. So, ito na yung dinner ni Holly. Very healthy. Ayan. And ako, mag-steam akong barramundi. Bumili tayo ng spring onions. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Hiwain ko siyang pahaba. Yung iba dito. And ginger. Wala ko yung siling haba na pula. So, gawin ko na lang capsicum. Tapos, may binili tayong soya sauce. So, yeah. Gawa tayo ng steamed fish. So, maghiwa lang ako. So, ayan na yung ating gagamitin. So, nakita ko yung itong ating tool para sa spring onions, para ganunin lang siya. Ganyan siya, guys. Sa Amazon ko to nabili. Matagal na. Ayan. So yeah, yan lang yung gagamitin natin. Spring onions, bell pepper, ginger, tapos meron na ako dito na ginger and spring onions. So ngayon, ilalagay ko lang dito yung ating barramundi. And steam na, yun lang. Yung ating barramundi, malaki pa sa ating paglalagyan. Tama lang. Kasya lang. So, yan. Ganyan lang. So, siguro mag-add pa ako ng spring onions and ginger dito sa mga gilid. Onions. Okay. Yan. Takpan. Siguro mga 10 minutes. Yan, mga 10 minutes siya. So, yun yung itsura niya. Pag in-steam natin yung fish, gawa na tayo ng sauce. So, konting, eto ba, yung cooking wine. Konti lang linagay ko. Tapos, buksan din natin tong soya sauce. Gamitin natin yung yung Hong Kong yata to. Yeah, Hong Kong product to, guys. Okay, soya sauce. So, depende na sa inyo. Siguro ganyan. Then, olive oil. Not olive oil. Sesame oil. Yeah. Then, konting sugar. Ganyan. So, depende sa inyo. Dagdagan pa. Also, white pepper or black pepper. Meron ako ditong black. So, ito yung i-drizzle natin later. Pero magpapainit pa pala ako ng avocado oil kasi ipa-fried kong konti yung ating ginger. So, yan. Tikman ko lang to. Sarap. Ay, ang sarap ha. Napaka-simple lang niya. Mag-add din ako nitong seasoning soya sauce. Si kuya pala kumain siya peach and konting chicken. Okay. Naliligo na sila. Konti lang. Ayan. Ay, sarap. Uy, masarap to ha. Uy, may umami siya. Sarap. So, okay na to. Oh, ayan na siya. Tatanggalin ko lang yan. And, naglagay pala akong konting tubig dito. Konti lang. Ayan. Sarap niya. Napaka-simple pero ang sarap-sarap. Ngayon, magsusute ako ng ginger. So, okay na to. And, meron ako ditong nakaligo na siya. May ginawa raw siyang song. Songwriter na rin pala siya. So, nagpainit ako ng avocado oil kasi i-drizzle ko rin siya on top of the fish kasama yung veggies niya. Yung hiniwa ko kanina. I-assemble ko na siya. Lagay natin to. Ang ganda ng kakulayan niya. Oh, red. And then, ginger.
Oh, that's salmon.
No, this is not salmon.
Wait, what is it? Fish.
Barramundi.
What's that?
The other kind of fish.
Oh, this one. Dad!
What are you cooking, babe?
Steamed fish.
What is it?
Steam.
Dad,
what
I
is
made a
this?
song.
Barramundi.
Wow, you lucky. Look at you. Look at mine.
Song, Dad.
Eh, kasi kumain kayo doon sa labas eh.
Watch your head.
Ang ganda. Yan pa lang yan. Wala pa yung ano niya. Wala pa yung...
What is that?
They don't know that.
Yeah, what's
Wala
it
pa
about?
yung sauce.
It's just a song.
Oh, why just like that? Why?
Sing it for daddy.
Big woogies. Go.
I painted your room red. Why didn't like that? Why didn't you ask permission? Cause I thought your favorite color was red. Well, it used to, but
Not no more.
Kunin ko na yung aking ginawang sauce. Ayan yung sauce. Tapos meron akong ininit na oil. Ibubuhos ko na yung oil. Unahin ko muna yung oil. Wait lang. Nagre-reels din kasi ako.
Yeah, we said no, they tried pretty good today, so. No, I think they'll
Wow.
you
What's that up?
And it comes
Then,
That-
next,
is that
ito
the
yung sauce. Yeah, try the sauce, Baba. Come here.
Yeah, he said that you'll get out there. He said, "I'll finish it."
Ano?
Come down and get in front of you.
It reminds me of that barbecue we had here before. It tastes so good.
He said,
Then, this
"Come
one.
there, try and take 'em
It
off."
tastes so good.
Wow.
Wow.
Parang nasa restaurant.
That horse in the golf cart.
Uy.
No, not that one. What?
And meron tayo ditong crispy ginger.
That didn't have a drive yet.
Crispy
Second to last
ginger.
one, I reckon.
Yeah. Dinner is served
For you.
for me.
And I had chicken and broccoli.
We got chicken broccoli.
Healthy.
Healthy. And this one is healthy too.
Yep.
So yan yung dinner. Ay, ang sarap ng dinner ko.
I had this at
Parang ako nasa restaurant.
restaurant.
Yes, look. Oh my God, I can't wait.
Good
And-
chicken broccoli.
Broccoli. Yan lang, walang rice. Char.
Voila, because
Yan.
it was non-cooked.
Yes. Okay, kain. Ang bango niya, guys. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Ang bango-bango niya. Kain.
Mommy, tell me if it's good.
Yeah, you wanna try? Come here.
No, you try first.
Oh my God. Yes. Para siyang
Gordon
restaurant.
Ramsay.
Come on. Gordon Ramsay.
Yeah.
Come here.
Is it good?
Very good. Ang sauce, ang grabe, ang sarap.
I reckon all I said this one was not going to do shit.
What do you think?
Good.
Yeah, it's so good.
Since then, I've never-
Kuya!
Like a bag.
Come here. You will like this.
If I like it, you like it.
Sarap.
Oh, it tastes so good, Mom.
Yeah. Try
It
Fish?
tastes so good.
fish.
Yeah, what?
Barramundi. Alright.
It
It's up
tastes
to
so
you.
good. Take it.
Nice skin. Come on. I'm gonna come here. Come here. Nakaano lang kasi siya.
Tastes so good, trust me. Mom.
Come here. Ano? Ano? Oh. You want fork now?
No skin.
Good
Can I
no.
have some more, please? Too?
Do you want this for dinner? I can make like this for
Yes,
dinner and
yes,
rice.
yes, please.
If I want.
Yes, Mom.
Yeah.
I want.
But it's not the
Mom, can I have some?
Huh?
it's not the best fish.
It's not the best fish. It's not the best, pero ang dami mong kinukuha.
Mom, can I have some, please?
Whiting.
Ah, yeah.
Oh,
Yung whiting is so
I like
small.
this one better.
No, they're not.
No, you cannot do like this. Oh, sarap.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I want.
How fork can this one?
No, I'm just gonna do this to you. Okay.
Why do you keep smelling it?
Broccoli. Leave it here.
Nah. Now everyone's eating this because it's so good. Because you're the chef now.
It's like we're in the restaurant, yeah.
I'd like to order one,
Zach!
please.
Zachary!
Go get black oil.
Zachary! Come here! Ang sarap, guys. Promise. Yung sauce, napaka-simple. Come here. Try my restaurant. Come here, this here.
Well, that's right. I'm getting there about 4:30 myself.
Dip that
have
one
that
here.
that smells good.
Yeah, it smells good.
Wait,
Wait, let Zachary have a try
there
first.
about last 4.
Wait. Tell them what do you think. Do you want this for dinner?
Yes,
like
tomorrow.
this and rice? Not tomorrow because
Not after.
no, we have to have that one.
No, he meant like not the toppings.
Mm.
Mom, can I have some more, please? It's masa. Oh,
good.
Chloe said I just stopped.
Good?
Chloe said I can't come through.
Why? I have broccoli in it first.
Ang hot ng sauce.
Masarap pala.
Well, said the gate's open by 4:30.
Next time, I'm gonna buy more by Monday.
Oh, I am done.
Can I have Chloe some?
Let Kuya have it
Yeah.
because she wants to be done. Come on.
Because he wants to be what?
Okay. Diba, ito yung dinner ko.
Oh, no.
Dinner ng lahat.
Texas.
So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you.
Please like and
Subscribe
subscribe.
if
This
you
is the
haven't
best
yet.
food ever.
Thank you. Good night.
Cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? Cause I know I can't get to you.